How was everyone's trading day? Alright guys, so in about 6 minutes, we'll be having 2 guests coming on to the Discord. This is actually our first time that we have someone coming besides JMO and Ethan and myself to speak to you guys on the Discord server. I'm not going to say too much on what they do, but essentially they are using AI to supplement their trading analysis. As you know, we don't use any like EAs or anything at the moment, but the results are pretty... Mic muted? Can you hear me? Don't lie to me, JMO. Can't hear. And now? Can you guys hear me? No one can hear me. Can't listen. Can you guys hear me now? Bro, that's a L. Oh, YouTube can hear me, yes. Discord can't for some reason. Let me check for this. Are we trading live? No. We aren't. This is a webinar. Can you guys... Oh, wait. 2 seconds. Output device. Can you guys hear me now? No sound still. Great. Can you guys hear me now? No sound still. What? Wait, let me call JMO quickly. Not on Discord. That's so weird. How's it, JMO?
Yeah.
What's up, bro? I don't know why my sound isn't working. Like...
Go check the setting.
Yeah, so output devices being the same, always.
Shit, bro.
Would you mind maybe just like speaking on the stage, just like saying like you know, there's gonna be like a webinar, TRADESAI, whatever. Luke and Hadi will speak. Or maybe just come on and just see if your thing works.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey guys, can you guys hear me?
Oh, bro, but mine isn't working.
I can literally play you through my mic.
Okay. Hey guys. Hey guys. Oh no, I don't know if this is working. Okay. Oh fuck. Okay.
Still never worked, bro.
I don't know what's going on.
And is this working?
No. Just leave and join back quick.
Okay, wait. Leave the stage. And now? Is it working now?
No, still not.
Bro, fuck. I don't know why it's not working.
What if you leave the call completely?
Okay, wait. Let me disconnect, then I'll come back, actually.
Okay, no problem.
That's so awkward.
I was just like watching you sitting there.
Can you guys hear me now?
Nah, it's still not, bro. I just don't know what's going on. Maybe audio through the phone. Yeah, join on your phone, bro.
Okay. Output device. Good. Hey guys, can you hear me now? Can you guys hear me? Oh, okay. All right, guys. Can you guys hear me now?
Jamie, I don't know what's going on your side, bro. It's
Bro.
not working.
And still no audio. That thing is bugging, bro. You can't hear me, eh?
So weird, we're just in a call with each other and don't know why the sound's now not working.
And still nothing.
Nah, bro, still not there. Restart your Discord. Restart it completely.
Okay, I'll be back. Fuck.
That's working.
Okay, clutch. Okay, just a little reset. All right, guys. Sorry for that. I have no idea what happened, but yeah, at least we got the sound on, so you guys can hear me nicely. All right, guys. So this is the first time that we are having a webinar on Crown Club. Usually, guys are used to watching Ethan, Jamo, and myself trade. Today we have two big guests that would love to tell their story and also a sick little project that they're working on. So Luke and Hadi, I'm going to invite them to the stage and let them take over. Let me do this. Hey, what's up,
Jamie,
Luke?
what's up?
What's up, bro?
You
Hello,
good?
hello.
Some technical difficulties I see before we begin.
Bro, it was honest. Yeah, I was stressing. I was like, damn. Like, I was telling JMO, like, you might have to take over this one for us.
Be good.
All right, cool. So, yeah, Luke is a very, very well-known trader, currently based in Malta, and Hadi has a huge, huge rep. I think Hadi, you used to work on the financial sector in the news um,
Yep.
company, right?
Yep. Yes,
Bloomberg.
well, I'm a software engineer by profession, but been a tech entrepreneur for the past 15 years, different startups. But yeah, the past 10 years have been in financial sector, fintech. But the past 5 years on CNBC, Bloomberg, Sky News, as a guest commentator on financial markets.
Amazing, amazing, cool. So I'll leave the stage to you guys. I'll let you guys do your thing, and yeah, excited to hear what you guys have to say.
Perfect.
That's sweet. I'll just start with introducing myself since Hadi gave a little introduction. So my name's Luke. I've been in the trading space for the past since 2017. If you guys don't know, that was the peak bull run of Bitcoin. And that's when I got interested in just in the trading space in general. So I bought my initial first little bit of Bitcoin back in the day when Bitcoin was still around like $2,000. And went into a bit of crypto trading 2 years after that, so in about 2020. So I've been in the Forex space for the past 5 years, just trying to get in and on with that. But during that period, growing up in South Africa, as maybe the community most of you guys are, you know that there was a bit of shady business going on. So, I mean, you never know who to trust, where to go, how to actually get educated, where to start in trading. So I was a little bit lost in the beginning. Blew a lot of accounts, lost a lot of money, until I started actually putting some work and education into it. And then for the past 2 years, I've been profitable in the Forex space and currently trading on a funded account now with Funder Pro, fully funded, $100,000, with the help of using the product that I'm an ambassador for and the product that Hadi is a co-founder of, and which he helped develop the side of things. That's a little bit about my background. I'll hand over back to Hadi.
Perfect, thank you. As I briefly said, I've been in the fintech market for the past 10 years, or to be honest with you, more than that. I was just checking when exactly I got into Bitcoin. It was 2011. 2011 was the first time I really got into Bitcoin, but actually trading it was 2013. So a bit of time since then. As I said, I'm a software engineer, computer engineer, currently based in Toronto. I've been doing different startups in education technology, healthcare technology, and fintech. TRADESAI I'm a co-founder of TRADESAI along with Owen Morton. And also with the help and support of Luke, we've been building a very strong community and a group of algorithms that I've been building over the past 6 years, but commercializing over the past year, I would say, just a bit of over a year. And what we offer is trading view indicator, VIP signals on Telegram, and very soon we're launching Bot Studio, which is a fully automated trading build your own bot kind of studio, which allows you to build bots easily using our algorithms directly on crypto exchanges like Bybit, Binance, etc., or on TradeLocker or prop firms. So that's what we're working on right now, and yeah, I'm excited to be here. I've been a member of Crown Club for the past few months since you launched. So always great to see the discussions and the conversations. And hopefully I get more involved in the conversations, day-to-day conversations. You guys share a lot of great stuff, and your streams are amazing. And yeah, glad to be here today.
and kind of just like maybe go through essentially, I don't know, some live footage of like how the chart would look, just so that the people could kind of get an idea of what you built.
Sure. Absolutely. I mean, I can share a screen, but I'm not quite sure if I can. It says you can't stream into the channel, so maybe you need to give
You have to give us permission there.
Permission.
permission.
Yeah, bottom there.
Let's see. Do you guys have permission now?
Still not.
Still not.
Okay, there you go. Now I can.
Awesome.
Okay, Hadi, you go first, and then basically
Sure.
to give a little background before he shows examples, is that, like I said, I was in the trading space before and I wanted to foolproof and test it myself. And basically I went on an experiment of taking an account, just trading crypto, and I traded a account, and I've got all the proof, all the screenshots, which I'll show you after this. I'm trading an account from $21,500 to $62,000 in 3 months, just using the compound effect and using TRADESAI. I've got the signals there. Yeah,
It's still
loading.
still loading my side as well.
Okay, let me stop and share again, maybe. Or you know what? Let me do a full screen share. Maybe that could be a better way. Okay.
Still loading there for me.
Yeah, same.
Still loading?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still loading.
Say reduce video quality based on connection speed.
Hadi, just try and cancel your one. Let me see if I can share my screen just to see if it's
Yeah. Let's do
like
that.
a full issue or just yours.
Yeah.
I know mine loads up. Okay. Can you guys see mine? Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Must be. Okay, let me start. Just check when it says the quality, maybe you have to just reduce it there, Hadi.
Okay, so I'm quite sure exactly to do that, but I don't have an option to reduce the quality. How about you still can't see it?
No, I can't see it now. Just, but I mean, it'll be.
Yeah, I mean, some people said in the chat they can see it, so I'm not quite sure if it's not streaming for everyone. So anyway, yeah, if you can do it from your side, Luke.
Yeah. What I can do is maybe just open up the chart, and then you can just
Sure.
tell me which one to change, talk about certain things.
Absolutely.
Because I kind of know what you.
Yep.
All right, let me just enable some things. 1 second.
Maybe it's the South African internet. Nah, Hadi is based in Canada at the moment, but could be our internet stealing their internet, bro.
Again, the speed, yeah. Okay, let me share my screen here. Cool, Hadi, if you
Yeah,
want
I can see it.
yeah,
Sure.
if you want to
Perfect.
take control, I'll just point to where you're talking about, but you can just talk and I'll just point to where you're talking about. It'll be easier.
Yeah, sounds good. Sounds good. I think what we can do is kind of a brief, if we can activate all the features in it, and like the trend lines, the ROBs, and everything, so we can just go over them quickly.
All of them are.
Yeah, you can just activate everything. It's fine. Yeah. Maybe a logarithmic, and yeah, enable the signals as well. And we just go to the Bitcoin BTC SD index. Yeah, if you want to search for the BTC USD, just to trading view index, you can see it. I don't know where it is. So I have more data, historical data. Without the T, just BTC USD. No, without the T, BTC USD. Yeah, exactly, that's it.
Index.
Yeah, the next one, the one after, the one below it. I think that's the index.
Isn't this the index?
Index, yeah. Yeah.
Cool.
Did it load or not? I don't think so. No, just search for it. I think it did now. Yeah.
Yeah, this is it. Index. Cool.
Okay, switch to the logarithmic scale. On the right, bottom right. Yeah, yeah, L. That's it. Okay, can we zoom in now to the weekly chart? Yeah. Do we have? Yeah, you can zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. More. Just want to see the full historical. Now you can zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, more. Yeah, okay, that's good enough.
Cool.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm trying to find like a trend line or something, but it's fine. So this is the TRADESAI Elite Premium Indicator. So this is one of the products that we have out there, part of your subscription. You get in the bundle, you get this one, and you get access to our Telegram VIP signals. We also do have a free Telegram signals group. We send a few signals per day on a few select assets, but in general, the VIP one has way more asset classes and access to way more signals. The indicator combines three main algorithms. We have the trend lines, we have what we call the MSPs or the market structure breakouts, and then we have also...
Let me just... So MSPs, guys, dotted lines. And then ROBs.
These are the ROBs and the ROBs. We'll explain how they work quickly. And then we have trend lines. Maybe if you zoom out, you'll find a trend line, maybe on the monthly, or on the weekly.
Just on the weekly, then we go to the monthly.
Monthly and zoom out more. Yeah, so that's a trend line.
Yeah, it's a trend line, yeah.
The trend lines, okay. That's a good example, MSPN. We can keep it on the monthly, it's fine. Okay, so personally, I like to trade on logarithmic scale. It's just most of the traders that care about the ratios when you're trading. It's more the logarithmic scale more than the linear, I would say. So I've been focused on the logarithmic scale for a long time now. But what you're looking at here, let's start with the trend lines. So trend lines are drawn with the indicator from select pivots. So the algorithm draws the ones that based on volume and based on market structure and movements away from specific pivots, it draws the main trend lines for you. And they start as solid lines, so you can take them as support or resistance if they are red. If you replay back to before it broke, basically, literally before, yeah, somewhere like after, go to the, before it literally broke out of that trend line. I just want to show it red.
Yeah, right.
No, to the right, I mean.
Okay, well, we could just play it from here, I think.
I think it will take time if you play it there. But anyway, it starts as a solid trend line. It started in this case red, so it means resistance. And once it broke out and closed beyond it, it becomes what we call a backside. So it becomes a dashed line green. So it turns color from red to green, which means turning from resistance to support. So that's one way of using trend lines. Some people like to trade them as support resistance. Some people want to trade them as breakout trend lines. So the indicator allows you to do both. And then we have what we call MSBs, market structure breakouts. You can cancel it. It's fine. It's fine. Look, you can show the MSB on the monthly. Just cancel it. There you go. So the dotted lines at the very top that you see in there are what we call the MSB targets. So it's literally catching double tops and double bottoms, or triple tops and triple bottoms, main structure breakouts. I'm giving you the point of breakout and then the targets. So the green, in this case, you see two lines below. So you have the breakout line. This is the horizontal line, which is where it broke, and then the two pivots. for the double bottom, so it automatically connects those for you. So, and it connects the major ones. So again, the algorithm is not just finding any double bottom or double top, it's looking at volume, looking at a lot of other stuff to tell you that this is a potential breakout to the top. So the way you trade this is you can buy or long when the breakout happened at that dashed line, and then your target is that red line at the top. So as you can see, this caught the Bitcoin pump back from $9,000 back in 2020 up to the top of 2022, so around $60,000 or $70,000, $65,000. So that's one way of using MSBs. Another way is actually contrarian, so you can actually short the target. So it's not only you can long that breakout, you can also short at the target. So you can ride the short down from the red lines down to the nearest support or the nearest whatever zone you decide, or fixed 1-to-1, 2-to-1, 3-to-1 R, depending on how you want to trade those. But the indicator gives you very powerful areas of interest where you actually a reaction is expected to happen. Now, how big that reaction is, obviously nothing is guaranteed, but the indicator is very strong in giving those areas of reaction. So that's what an MSB is, very briefly. There's a lot of settings, obviously, when you go to the indicator, you can tweak things and pivots and volume-based stuff, and it will show you different zones. And the final algorithm in the indicator is the order blocks, or what we call the ROBs, the reversal order blocks. So you have OBs and ROBs. OBs are very similar to what the narrative out there is for OBs in ICT or SMC, Smart Money Concept, or ICT traders use. So basically, it's looking for an aggressive move out of a consolidation area. So that's what an order block zone is. So you have a consolidation and then suddenly a big move. So that final block you leave before that big move is what we call the order block, the red, the red candle is this one, this zone in here. So that's the standard kind of order block, which you can expect a reaction on. So the indicator draws that for you. However, what I personally like, and it's our own algorithm, although it looks similar to what others out there call it breaker blocks, unicorn model, etc. in ICT, is what we call the ROBs, the ROBs, and that's where our signals come from. So look, if you can maybe disable everything and just keep the ROBs, just so we can focus on those. Yeah, no valley OB, no peak OB, and you can disable everything else. Yeah, just keep the ROBs, that's it. So these are basically what we call the ROBs. They catch what you call out there, as I said, the breaker block. They catch unicorn model. They catch 20 different algorithms that include volume analysis as well as market structure, those blocks, and they're high probability zones of reaction. The way you trade them is simply, you see the box. If it's the signal comes and you're still near the box, you're still close to the box, you can just market order there. You don't need to wait for the touch. If it's far away, so if the signal came and the price already is far away from the box, just place a limit order on the box. Put your stop loss where the nearest pivot is at the end of the box, and then target 1-to-1 or 2-to-1 or the nearest support or resistance. So that's basically as simple as you can do for these signals. So that was kind of a very quick brief about the indicator. Now, one thing a lot of people message us about is that our signals sometimes are 1-to-1, or like, the risk reward is not very high. One way you can improve that is usually by finding these zones on the high time frame, so on the 4-hour, on the 1-hour, on the 2-hour, and then dropping to the low time frame, like the 15-minute or the 5-minute, and trying to find deeper entries inside these zones on these lower time frames. So you put your 1-to-1, just like Luke did here for this zone. If you can put the 1-to-1 just very quickly as a long position, given this is a green ROB, so you're looking for a long on the touch of that box, whenever it touches it. So that's your stop loss. You measure your 1-to-1, and then what you can do is you can drop to the, let's say, daily. Given this is the monthly, let's drop to the daily, for example, and then I go to that same zone that I drew, and then I look for ROBs or even OBs. I activate even OBs. Look, if you can even activate the OBs for this low time frame one. So just activate the OB indicator as well, the valley and the peak OBs in the settings. Deactivate it.
I think I
The
can't
valley
hear
OB.
you. I think you muted there, Hadi, or is it me?
The OBs as well. So just enable everything. Yeah. There you go. So now after I highlighted the weekly zone, for example, for the high time frame, then here I'm looking for additional entries on the zone on the lower time frame. Now this is the move already played out, but if you can look, if you can just replay back to literally before the move that happened, before somewhere like here, exactly before the zone entered. Yeah. No, after the end. I mean, slightly after the entry, which is when it appeared on the monthly, basically. So if you go to the monthly and then go to it before the touch, works as well. Yeah, that works as well. Yeah.
Cool.
So what I'm trying to look for is I'm trying to look for lower time frame zones inside your algorithm. Try not to percent. 1-to-1 is not the best RR, but given the zones are strong, are very strong, the win rate even for 1-to-1 is high. However, with this kind of high time frame to low time frame drop multi-order thing that you do, you end up with really good solid risk to reward positions as price goes deeper into the zone.
He says win rate's 80%, and you get to 1-to-1 and your account's 100K. You're risking 1,000 to make 1,000. Let's say you win 8 trades out of 10, you only lose 2, you made 8 grand. So I don't necessarily think 1-to-1's that weak. It just depends on your account size and relativity. So yeah, and like you said, you can always break it down and get a better RR, just depending. But the strategy, what we've proven to be profitable, is we've worked on our 1-to-1, and it's been profitable. And that's why we've been using that so far. If we want to increase it, we go to a different time frame, we enter more entries and put in different positions. And over time, it will pay off. But if you're looking for a basic one, you go for 1-for-1. And the signals are 80% plus. Just to highlight that one.
Exactly, yeah. And the question about repainting, it depends what you mean by repainting. I mean, the signals disappear when they're invalid. So when they break and the ROB is broken and done, we remove the signal so that the user does not see that arrow and think that in the future they can take it. So this is why we remove them. But in general, they might disappear at specific points as well. So if you don't see the arrow, it means the zone is not valid anymore. But generally speaking, when there is an arrow around the box, near the box, it means it's still valid. This is why we remove them. It's not about repainting, but it's more about it's invalid anymore to take this zone. And it works on any asset. So gold is it's great on gold just because obviously gold is less volatile, but it respects a lot of the volume and the market structure versus things like crypto. Obviously it's more volatile, but you can put it on any asset, and it will just on any time frame, and it will just draw all these boxes for you.
Yeah, then someone use a joke. Normally, like if there was a chart of ice cream, it would work. If there's data on the chart, there would be an indicator working. But basically, to answer your question, how effective was it on gold? I take all my trades purely on gold. So I only trade gold, sometimes Bitcoin, but mostly gold. And so far, I managed to get almost 3,200 euros like in a week. And I've got foolproof payout certificates, just trading gold, just using TRADESAI, trading gold. So it's super effective on gold. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the indicator was built on gold, like based on gold, if I'm not mistaken, Hadi.
Yeah, I mean, I personally traded gold, traded crypto. Literally for the past 10 years, I've been trading crypto. I've been trading professionally for the past 7 years, since BitMEX was created, really the first and derivative trading. But yeah, it works for any asset. And there's a comment regarding indicators. Now, one thing that I've learned over the years, professionally trading and building bots for banks and hedge funds, I've built for many of these institutions. I've personally traded millions of dollars with my own money, grew from a few $100s to millions of dollars over a few months. So I've been up and down. I've seen the different cycles and different algorithms and tools and indicators. It all depends on risk management at the end of the day. So an indicator just helps you draw things for you on the chart, just saves you time instead of you sitting and drawing all these things. But at the end of the day, it's all about risk management and automation. So one powerful thing we're doing is launching Bot Studio, which will automate trading, which is emotionless. Because once you have emotions in the game, no matter how good you are, no matter, I mean, I've taken accounts from thousands of dollars to millions in a month and wiped out millions of dollars in hours. So I've been on both sides of the game. Automation is a must if you want to have an edge in the game. Full automation or semi-automation, like it's up to you, but you need to have something that automates and reduces the psychological and emotional involvement in every position you take. Because it's a math game at the end of the day. It's a probabilities game, trading. There's randomness. You need to have randomness. It's an art, not a science. Anyone who says it's a science, I don't call it a science. It's more of an art when you draw these or like you look at price action. So you do need automation at one point or another to have that edge. That's my take on the comment regarding indicators versus price action.
There's a few
No worries.
questions. The thing is, someone says, what's the name of the indicator? It's called TRADESAI. Jamie will drop a link, or we can drop a link below. And then, do you have a demo on it? If you go to the website and when you install the indicator, there's a full guide on how to get started. What does each thing mean? So if you didn't catch it in the video, like how we explained it, no problem. Just go there and they give you a free course. Not like a course, but they know exactly, like they teach you how to do it as well. How to install the indicator, how to read the MSBs, how to read the ROBs, what does it mean? So you get a little guideline on how to do it. This was just something that I wanted to show you guys as well. When I first tested it, this was at the beginning of the year, when TRADESAI was first released. Not yet to the public, but I was testing it in like pre-beta almost. And this was my account from 21,000. I got every single trade taken. So like when, because most of the haters will say, bro, it's not true unless you have screenshots. Every single trade I've taken is here. Every single trade, purely from TRADESAI. And I was trading ETH, Bitcoin, and Solana on a Bybit exchange. Then there's screenshots of as my account grows. Obviously, they're a bit mixed up, but yeah, you can see the growth, 62,000. That was like the peak. So that was like my experience with using TRADESAI in the beginning, just to prove that it works for people. But yeah, that's from my end.
And so, I mean, we can up to Jamie, maybe we can discuss a free or kind of a few day discount or free access to the indicator if you'd like for your community. I mean, we don't usually do it, but if that's something that you guys are interested in, we can definitely probably provide something so everyone can have a trial of it for free. So definitely glad to do that. And again, as I said, it's, I built these algorithms after years and years of trading and testing and, things work and don't work. And then you come to a conclusion of what really matters for a trader. But I've recorded something 2 years ago using the same algorithm before we built TRADESAI. And I'll drop the link to the YouTube. Feel free to watch it. That's 100% win rate over a month, taking into account 5x. On 15 different crypto coins on Bybit live account. So you can have a look. All the trades are there. I think maybe over 200 trades were traded, 100% win rate, using the same algorithm that we're discussing in here. So we'll drop more videos like this on our channels, TRADESAI, of actually the new Bot Studio, trading with high win rates. But this is with manual supervision, obviously. So the algorithm, but manual supervision. Usually, that sometimes it could perform better than just pure automation. It does work, but it depends on you and your risk management. If you know how to do risk management properly and you have an eye for charts, you have proper experience in charting for like a year or two, this will be of great help to you. So, but yeah, for the free trial, definitely, Jamie, we can chat about a special link and you can drop it to the community.
Awesome, yeah. The Crown Club loves free stuff. Clearly stated, but I think obviously it's really up to you guys to see, just implementing your charts, see if it will benefit you and stuff. I think especially if you guys can get
2 hour free access.
Okay.
people can use it, because we don't believe if we give 24 hours, maybe some people might not find a trade or whatever the case is. So I'd like to give it 3 days. But people, if they want to extend like the thing, they can, just test it out.
Sure.
Always happy to just do it. Like, I just want to mention to everyone, like, it's always good to still have a person like Jamie, as a mentor, a guy you look up to. Even if you're using TRADESAI, it's good to maintain a mentor, a bit of both,
Absolutely. Like if someone has limited knowledge of the trading space, would you
Yeah.
recommend them to like take trades just purely based off TradesAI, or what would be your guidance in that sense?
To be honest with you, I mean, and as Luke said, finding a mentor, and this is that I've been following your stream, Jamie. And you've done a lot of great work in terms of studying market structure and how to read the market. So I think the first step would be, no, I would say, have the indicator, but try to map it with someone teaching you how to trade, because the indicator is not going to just hold your hand and tell you everything about market structure. Although we have tutorials, although we try to have a community discussion, but at the end of the day, the bots are for beginners. So the bot studio will be for people who just want to run an account on a bot and pick one of the algorithms and let it run. But the indicator and the VIP signals, if you know how to trade even a few months with a mentor or like part of a community, about market structure or like ICT, SMC, all these concepts, the indicator will save you a lot of time and will just give you the edge to quickly switch between time frames and not worry about drawing and looking at the charts. It will just draw everything for you. But you need to have some knowledge about especially risk management. So these are things that you need to learn from a community. And there's the concept of the herd, like when you're trading with other people, and there's a sharing in the community, it makes it much more effective than just you sitting in your own room trying to figure out things on your own. The psychology aspect is very important in trading. So I would start with a group like this one in here that Jamie has, and then have the indicator to support that, and then gradually you can come up with your own strategy. Everyone come up at the end something that works for them on their experience, but their time, how much effort, money they have. Like there's a lot of things, different time frames, different liquidities, different interests. That's how the market is made up. So being part of a group really helps before you jump into using a tool or an indicator to trade on your own.
Yeah, I 100% agree. Also in Klakanipo, like the thing is, anything that you start, right, you at least need some form of knowledge, right? So even like outside of Crown Club, like do your own due diligence, just try learn the basics of trading. Like nowadays there's so much content, YouTube, TikTok, like literally everywhere you go there's obviously information, but take everything with a grain of salt. But essentially what TradesAI is, like Hadi and Luke said, it kind of just like supplements your analysis. It makes things a lot more automated and also takes emotions out. So that's obviously the pro factor of it. But again, always, if you guys are a beginner, do the most that you can to educate yourself. Do everything to, like, I would say, yes, mentors obviously great, but you also need to try absorb as much information as you can as an individual prior to moving forward with anything. What is your YouTube channel? Hadi, your YouTube channel is that link that you just posted, right?
No, that's my personal one. I post some videos on it and like the TV interviews ones sometimes in there. But the TradesAI one is just the where the content is, and the tutorials are on the TradesAI one. So maybe after the call we can drop the links.
Cool.
But yeah, if you go to YouTube and search for TradesAI, TRADESAI.com is our website, tradesai.com. You'll find a link to the YouTube channel, but it's Trades AI, not Trader AI. So Trades with an S, AI, one word.
We also did one, like a big discussion with like a group of like my community members, basically explaining when Hadi had control over the mouse and he was able to show. We did do a video, and that'll be dropping soon. We just need to get it a little bit edited, but that's basically a full breakdown of how I use TradesAI as a trader. And Hadi is also a trader, but it comes from more of a developer standpoint. So me as a trader and Hadi as a trader and a developer can use it, just if people are interested.
Yeah.
We're happy to do that.
Heard
And there's a question.
Kurt
Yeah,
just asking.
yeah, about
Oh yeah, you're
trading.
reading it. Go for it.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Yeah. So I mean, this is for now, as I said, it's an indicator on TradingView, strictly on tradingview.com. So this, you can't, the way TradingView works, like the charting of TradingView on something like Bybit or Binance doesn't work exactly the same with indicators. Like you go to tradingview.com and load an indicator. Otherwise, we'll be able to load the indicator directly on your Binance or Bybit chart, for example, or even TradeLocker chart. But for now, it only works on tradingview.com. So you need to go to TradingView and install indicator there, and then do your charting there, and then execute whatever you want. But we are launching Bot Studio very soon in the coming few weeks. It will have different type of subscription, but you'll get it for free if you use one of our affiliate links on an exchange or a broker. So if you sign up using one of our links, then you'll get access to the bot for free, and you can build as many bots as you want. For now, it will work on Bybit, Binance, and some of the top crypto exchanges directly, or TradeLocker as a start. So TradeLocker, for those who are not familiar, is just like MT4 or MT5, but cloud-based. Prop firms who use TradeLocker will have obviously access to the bot. We might support MT4, MT5 later. But it might take some time. It's just because MT4 and MT5 are designed, the EAs are designed in a different way than what you can do with an API on these other exchanges. But we do have plans to support MT4 and MT5 as well, yeah.
Cool. And Opulent asked, when will the 3-day test run begin?
As soon as you click the link, so just...
I'll send the link if you're okay with that, Jamie. I'll send it to your group here.
Yeah,
Got it ready.
of course.
Cool. Yeah, I'll drop it for you guys here. Just let me find it quickly. And don't worry, guys, it's a safe link. You won't get hacked. Where is this? Here we go. That will give you the free access with 72 hours. And it's also got a video of me explaining the product and the results. It's a 6-minute video, but if you want to watch it, it's on the website as well. It's different to the TRADESAI website because it's a free access website. So don't worry about the link or anything, that it's a bit different from the normal one. Trust that it's coming from me. And I'm in it, so the whole face is on the page.
Awesome. I think Helen might be typing out a question. But yeah, guys, if you have any other questions regarding TRADESAI or anything to do, when will it be available? So I assume once you click this link, your 72-hour trial will start.
Yeah, it's ready. Like you can access it now if you want.
It will give you the indicator and the VIP signals. And obviously, Bot Studio, whenever it's launched, also the bot creator, you'll have access to that. But as I said, to be able to use that, when we launch it, there'll be a subscription fee, but it will be a high subscription fee in thousands of dollars, or you could use one of our affiliate links on a Bybit, Binance, one of the TradeLocker affiliate links, and then you can get free access to the bot.
It's just like a video summary of how it works, the results from some of our clients, what it includes, type of capital growth you can get from it, trusted and proven. Yeah, it's basically a step-to-step guide, how to install it, how to get it enabled. This is the results with TRADESAI versus human. This is the real statistics that was used. And these are some of our, obviously, interviews with some clients. And yeah, basically you can try for 72 hours, and there what it says includes.
And if as we said, if anyone wants an extension to that 3-day for any reason, just for Jamie's Crown Club community, glad to offer that extension. So a few more days, up to a week maybe. Just DM our support and just tell them you came from Crown Club's community, and we'll be glad to extend that for a few more days for you before you make that decision to get the subscription.
Thanks so much, Hadi. I appreciate that, bro.
No worries.
Yeah. Then if you want also, since we're in the group here, so you guys can get access, if you want to use the code, you can use my code and you get 20% discount if you actually want to purchase it. So just because I'm here, I'll give it to you guys. I share it to people that, that's in the group or anyone that I know personally. I don't just share it all over. So that's if you guys are interested in actually purchasing the subscription.
Sounds great.
Gert asked, can you get it for lifetime or is it only monthly?
Monthly or annually. We don't do lifetime. So yeah, it's for now monthly or annually. We might offer a lifetime after we launch Bot Studio, depending on how we'll be pricing, structuring the offering for Bot Studio. Because a lot, making easy money, that's what everyone wants, So we'll see what we will do with the indicator and the VIP signals once we launch the bots, because the bots will have too much more extra algorithms in it that are not supported in the indicator. So the bot will in addition to automating all the trading, but the algorithms in it will be way more advanced, and it will allow you to build your own algorithms. Just as for sake of example, for those who are familiar with different strategies, let's say you want to enter on a breaker block or enter on an RB and exit on a 50 EMA, for example. In Bot Studio, it's very user-friendly. You can design your entry and exit strategy, risk management, how much you want to risk per position, and just let it run. So there's mean reversion, there's EMAs, there's VWAPs, AVWAPs, like all of that will be drag and drop in the interface, and you build your own bot and run it on multiple assets, different exchanges. You can have a portfolio running crypto assets and gold on TradeLocker, for example, all in one portfolio. So be able to connect to different exchanges and different brokers and build your own bot. Nothing out there in the bots world in retail allows you to do that. I've built bots for institutions. A lot of the institutional bots give you these capabilities to control how you want to design your bot, but in retail it's not available. So we're really glad to launch this very soon.
Hadi, there's a question there. Are there back-tested results for the bots?
Absolutely. So when you log into the dashboard, you'll have, whenever you pick a algorithm, there's many variations for the algorithm. You'll get instantly the historical performance of that algorithm before you run it on that time frame and that asset. All will be available to you before you click start and run the algorithm. Yes, optimal settings as well. There will be default settings for each algorithm, and it will support multi-time frames. So our algorithms are aware of volume and aware of different time frames. So they take liquidity hunting into consideration, all that kind of stuff that you do usually manually. Again, nothing beats, to me personally, nothing beats manual trading if you want to profit very quickly in the market. Manual trading with bots is the best way to go. But for those who just want to run bots and just don't have time to even look at charts and trade, they're great for making profits more than.
Awesome, yeah. So, okay, a couple more.
The link is not working. It should be working. If you mean that TRADESAI, it works for me.
Jamie, can you access that link that I shared? Pretty sure it works.
Click. Yeah, it loads for me as well. It does load.
Sweet.
We're soon announcing a partnership with Bybit as well. We're doing a close partnership with Bybit, not just a regular affiliate. So we'll launch something with them very soon. So maybe some special rewards as well. And our this.
Want to buy the product? Just something extra for you guys.
Yeah, our pleasure.
Awesome, cool. Well, yeah, I think that essentially sums up TRADESAI. If you guys do have any other last questions, just shoot it through. But otherwise, I think Hadi and Luke, thank you so much for showcasing it. Yeah, you guys did really, really well explaining it. This was really an eye-opener to the power of AI.
Yeah, no worries, man. Thanks for having us, dude.
Of course.
Appreciate the time. It was good.
By the way, given someone mentioned AI and the power of AI, just to wrap it up, just so a lot of people ask us this question, how is TradesAI using AI? That's like the main question we get a lot from people who are knowledgeable about building bots. So the way, very quickly, very briefly, for those who are familiar with AI, the way our indicator works is it's collecting data over hundreds of assets, up to 20 time frames on each asset. So you're talking about thousands and thousands of different signals coming in. And we have different algorithms, 20 different algorithms, and each algorithm has many variations. So you're talking about thousands and thousands of signals coming to our central data lake or database. All of that is crunched from the TradingView algorithm that we have, algorithms. And then on our database and our servers in real time, we do mixed back testing and forward live testing. And based on some machine learning models that we created, the machines come up with the best models and the best parameters for these algorithms. And that's how we decide on Bot Studio or an indicator to update it every now and then for the best algorithms that work for the markets. But in the Bot Studio, it's way more real time. So it's constantly upgrading and updating based on what's happening in the markets. So that's how we're using AI. Because a lot of people say, you can't do AI in TradingView, Pine Script. So this is how we achieve AI on our servers. So we're collecting data from TradingView from all these algorithms and then doing the analysis on our servers.
Awesome.
Okay.
Opulent, I think I think you had issues with the link before. Just try it again. If not, I'll just share it with you. But yeah, I'll probably post this as well. And guys, if you guys want to watch essentially like a recap of what Hadi and Luke said, this video is recorded. It will be on my YouTube, and then I'll also post it on the Discord. So if you guys want to recap, but like Luke mentioned, there is a video breakdown on the website. So pick your poison. But yeah, if you guys want to watch the interview again, just head over to YouTube, and the video will be here as well. But yeah, Hadi, Luke, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for coming on.
Yeah. Thanks a lot.
Maybe we'll have you on again once your bot's ready.
Sure, absolutely. That would be amazing.
Awesome.
And always glad to receive feedback and constant, updates. If any one of your members obviously has ideas and things that they feel that they want to see in these, tools and bots and indicators, always, available here in the Discord, in your Discord, but also on Telegram or my Instagram as well.
Awesome.
Yeah. Also, like if you guys need to reach out anything about the product or anything, me and Hadi are pretty much available all the time, or we can direct you or anything's needed, or you can contact Jamie. We're always in close contact with Jamie as well. So if you guys need anything, reach out to one of us three and we'll be able to sort you out.
Awesome, guys. Cool. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy.
Thanks a lot.
Hadi, one last thing. For NFP tomorrow, what's your prediction?
Believe it or not, when I'm building,
Run.
when I'm building algorithms, I try not to look at the markets because I'll be biased and my algorithms will be biased. So I try to avoid trading.
Fair. I was trying to get a quick signal there quickly, but all right. Awesome. Appreciate you guys.
NFP tomorrow, guys. Stay safe out there. Proper risk management and good luck.
Cheers, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you guys.
Cheers.
Take care.
Bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.